Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll dive into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: Alzheimer's disease. What is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that primarily affects cognitive functions, including memory, thinking, and behavior. It not only impacts the diagnosed individual but also takes a toll on their loved ones. Emerging research suggests that diet plays a crucial role in maintaining brain health and potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. In this video, we'll explore the connection between diet and Alzheimer's disease, uncovering the foods that have been shown to support brain function and even mitigate the progression of this debilitating condition. So, if you're ready to take proactive steps to protect your brain health, join us as we explore the top 7 foods for brain health after age 50. Let's dive in. 1. Blueberries. Mental strength. Blueberries boost the brain's ability to adapt and renew itself, like an athlete training to overcome challenges. This helps slow cognitive decline and keep the mind sharp in older adults, including those with Alzheimer's. Multi-action against Alzheimer's. Early studies indicate that compounds in blueberries combat different aspects of Alzheimer's disease, such as the accumulation of amyloid beta plaques and tau protein tangles. By acting on multiple fronts, blueberries may reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's or slow its progression. Brain protection. Blueberries contain elements that cross the blood-brain barrier and act directly on the brain, like a shield against the effects of age. They combat inflammation, oxidative stress, and neurotransmitter failure, promoting overall brain health and cognitive function. Powerful blood flow. Blueberries are rich in flavonoids, such as anthocyanins, which boost blood flow to the brain, like a mighty river carrying nutrients and oxygen to brain cells. This contributes to overall brain health and cognitive ability. Microglia in action. Blueberries assist in the proper functioning of microglia, the brain's defense cells that remove damaged cells and impurities, like an army protecting its territory. 2. Fatty fish. Super omega-3. The omega-3 fatty acids present in fatty fish have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that combat inflammation in the brain, like firefighters putting out a fire. This helps protect against cognitive decline. Armored memory. Omega-3s contribute to maintaining cognitive abilities, such as memory, attention, and processing speed, like a shield protecting brain functions. This reduces the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's. Preserved white matter. White matter lesions in the brain are common in older adults and increase the risk of cognitive decline and dementia, including Alzheimer's. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to protect this region, preserving cognitive function in aging individuals. BDNF, brain ally, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, is a protein essential for neuronal survival, growth, and plasticity. Omega-3 fatty acids increase BDNF levels in the brain, strengthening brain function and protecting against neurodegeneration in cases of brain injury or stroke. Neurological recovery. Consuming fatty fish can aid in neurological recovery and rehabilitation, like a support for the brain to rebuild itself after a challenge. 3. Broccoli. Neurogenesis boost. Broccoli contains compounds like glucosinolates, which have been linked to promoting neurogenesis, the process of generating new neurons in the brain. This can be particularly beneficial for maintaining cognitive function and compensating for neuronal loss associated with Alzheimer's disease. Homocysteine defense. Elevated levels of homocysteine, an amino acid, are associated with an increased risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Broccoli is a good source of folate, which helps metabolize homocysteine and can reduce its accumulation in the brain, thus decreasing the risk of neurodegeneration. Synaptic plasticity enhancement. Compounds in broccoli, such as sulforaphane, can increase synaptic plasticity, which is essential for learning and memory processes and can help preserve cognitive function in Alzheimer's disease. Detoxification support. Broccoli contains compounds that support detoxification pathways in the body, including the brain. This can help protect against the neurotoxic effects of environmental pollutants and heavy metals, which have been implicated in the development of neurodegenerative diseases. Hippocampal protection. The hippocampus is a brain region critical for learning and memory, and it is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress. Some studies suggest that broccoli consumption may help reduce oxidative stress specifically in the hippocampus, preserving cognitive function and reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Before you continue, check out one of the best programs that can help you recover your memory, focus, and your mind. To access it, click on the link in the first pinned comment. 4. Coffee. Coffee consumption has been shown to increase dopaminergic neurotransmission in the brain. Dopamine is involved in various cognitive processes, including motivation, reward, and executive function. Balanced dopaminergic activity contributes to overall brain health and may reduce the risk of cognitive decline associated with Alzheimer's disease. Coffee consumption has been associated with the modulation of glutamate excitotoxicity, a process in which excessive glutamate signaling leads to neuronal damage and cell death. Compounds in coffee can help regulate glutamate levels in the brain, protecting against excitotoxicity and preserving neuronal function. Coffee consumption has been linked to the modulation of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, levels in the brain. GABA is an inhibitory neurotransmitter that helps regulate neuronal excitability and plays a role in reducing anxiety and managing stress. Balanced GABA levels contribute to overall brain health and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Regular moderate coffee consumption has been associated with better cognitive performance and a reduced risk of cognitive decline in older adults. 5. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, neurotransmitters involved in sleep regulation. Consuming pumpkin seeds can help promote restful sleep, which is essential for brain health, memory consolidation, and cognitive function. Pumpkin seeds contain arginine, an amino acid that helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow to the brain. Improved circulation ensures that the brain receives sufficient oxygen and nutrients, supporting optimal cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Pumpkin seeds and their antioxidants can help alleviate oxidative stress specifically in the basal ganglia, preserving motor function and cognitive abilities. Pumpkin seeds contain nutrients and phytochemicals that support mitochondrial biogenesis, or the process of generating new mitochondria in cells. They also alleviate cognitive fatigue and help regulate metal homeostasis in the brain, reducing metal accumulation and mitigating their toxic effects on neuronal function. 6. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These neuroprotective effects may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Curcumin promotes the proliferation and differentiation of neural stem cells in the brain, leading to increased neurogenesis. This process is crucial for brain repair and regeneration and may help preserve cognitive function in Alzheimer's disease. Tau protein abnormalities, including hyperphosphorylation, are associated with Alzheimer's disease and other tauopathies. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit tau protein phosphorylation, potentially preventing the formation of neurofibrillary tangles and preserving neuronal function. Turmeric has been studied for its potential to improve neurovascular function, including endothelial function and the integrity of the blood-brain barrier. By supporting neurovascular health, turmeric may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health, supporting neuronal membrane structure, synaptic function, and neuroplasticity. Adequate omega-3 intake from walnuts may help reduce the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Compounds present in walnuts help maintain the integrity of tight junctions between endothelial cells in the blood-brain barrier, thus preventing the entry of harmful substances and pathogens into the brain. Walnuts contain nutrients such as magnesium and zinc, which play a role in neurotransmitter synthesis and signaling. Balanced levels of neurotransmitters are essential for mood regulation, cognitive function, and overall brain health. Consuming walnuts can help support neurotransmitter balance and cognitive function. Walnuts contain precursors to endocannabinoids, which are lipid neurotransmitters involved in various physiological processes, including mood regulation, appetite, and cognitive function. Consuming walnuts can help support the endocannabinoid system, promoting overall brain health. Keep your mind sharp as you age by nourishing it with the right foods. Remember that your diet is fundamental for maintaining cognitive health. Be sure to consult your doctor before making any dietary changes. If you found this information useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.